Google just gave us a new SEO weapon, and it's kind of crazy. I'm talking about something that lets you build SEO content that actually ranks. No more guessing what to write, no more generic AI garbage. This is the real deal, and I'm about to show you how to use Gemini with NotebookLM to create content that Google loves. And I'm using guitar training as my example. Stay with me because this gets wild. So here's what most people do wrong. They open ChatGPT or Gemini, they type something like, write me an article about guitar training, and they get total junk. It's generic, it doesn't match search intent, it doesn't sound human, and Google sees right through it. But what if you could feed AI all the best ranking content, all the competitor pages, all the search intent, all the lesson plans, and then let it write from that? That's exactly what this trick does. Google is rolling out something huge right now. You can attach NotebookLM notebooks directly inside Gemini. Think about that. You build one SEO notebook with all your research, all your competitor pages, all your keyword data. Then you attach it to Gemini, and Gemini writes from your notebook, not from thin air, from real SEO research. This changes everything because now AI isn't guessing. It's working from your actual SEO brain, your curated content, your competitors, your keyword clusters, everything. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me show you exactly how this works, and I'm going to use guitar training as my keyword, but you can do this with any keyword you want, any niche, any topic. First step, go to NotebookLM, create a new notebook. I'm calling mine Guitar Training SEO Notebook. Now here's the cool part, you don't have to manually find and upload everything. Just run this prompt. Create an SEO notebook for guitar training, collect top articles, keywords, subtopics, and tips, summarize each source, and make a quick facts section. NotebookLM will fetch the resources for you, and it grabs top-ranking guitar training articles, online guitar course landing pages, lesson structure examples, YouTube lesson transcripts, all the good stuff. It passes everything. It understands the patterns, it sees what ranks, it learns the structure, it catches the keywords. This is your SEO memory bank, your research hub, everything in one place. Now run this prompt in NotebookLM, build an SEO research notebook for the keyword guitar training, extract primary and secondary keywords, search intent, common lesson topics, and content gaps from the sources, create an SEO quick facts section. Watch what happens. NotebookLM pulls out all the keywords, it shows you search intent, it finds content gaps, it builds you an SEO quick facts card. This is stuff that would take you hours to do manually. NotebookLM does it in seconds. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Next prompt. Using the notebook sources, create an SEO optimized content outline for a guitar training page with H1 to H3 headings. Boom. NotebookLM gives you a full content outline with proper heading structure, with keyword placement, with everything mapped out. This isn't some random outline. This is based on what actually ranks for guitar training. One more NotebookLM prompt. From the notebook, suggest supporting subtopics and internal links to build topical authority around guitar training. Now, you're not just creating one piece of content, you're building authority, you're planning your whole content cluster, your internal linking strategy, everything. This is the key. Most people use AI to write one article and wonder why it doesn't rank, but Google wants topical authority. Google wants content clusters. Google wants you to cover a topic deep. NotebookLM helps you plan that all in one notebook. All right, now here's where it gets insane. Open Gemini, look for the NotebookLM icon in the message box. Click it, attach your guitar training SEO notebook. That's it. Now Gemini has everything, your whole SEO brain, your competitor research, your keyword data, your content structure, everything. Now run this prompt in Gemini using the attached notebook. Write an SEO optimized article targeting guitar training that matches search intent and reads naturally. Watch what happens. Gemini writes from your notebook, not from nothing, from your actual research. The keyword placement feels natural. The headings match SERP structure. The content matches search intent. There's no generic AI fluff, no weird robotic language. This reads like a human wrote it. Because Gemini isn't making stuff up. It's working from real content, real competitors, real search data. That's the difference. That's why this works. Next prompt. From the notebook, generate an SEO title, meta description, FAQs, and people also ask style questions for guitar training. Boom, you get everything. Title tag, meta description, FAQ schema. People also ask questions, all optimized, all based on what actually shows up in search results. This is what people miss. They write content, but forget the SERP features. They forget the FAQs. They forget people also ask. But Gemini pulls it straight from your notebook because you fed it competitor pages that already have this stuff. It knows what works. Here's why this is so powerful. Better intent matching. When you write from research, you hit the right intent. You're not guessing what people want, stronger topical authority. You're covering everything the top pages cover, plus more. You're building real authority. Faster content creation. You're not starting from scratch every time. You build the notebook once, use it forever, fewer AI mistakes. Gemini isn't hallucinating. It's working from real data, real sources, real content. Think about it like this. NotebookLM is your SEO brain. Gemini is your SEO output. NotebookLM stores everything. Gemini writes from it. Together, they're unstoppable. Most people use AI for SEO totally wrong. They treat it like a magic button. Write me content about this keyword, and they get garbage. But if you do it this way, you're not asking AI to create from nothing. You're giving it the blueprint, the research, the competitors, the strategy. Then AI just executes. A few tips before you go try this. Upload real competitor pages, not random articles. Pages that actually rank. The better your sources, the better your output. Don't overstuff keywords. Gemini will place them naturally if your notebook is good. Let it work. Always human review. Even with this method, you need to check the content, make sure it's accurate, make sure it sounds right, add your own expertise. This isn't about replacing you. It's about making you faster, better, smarter. You do the strategy, you do the research. AI does the heavy lifting. That's the right way to use this. Here's what you need to do right now. Go build a NotebookLM notebook for your main keyword. Upload your competitors, upload your research, run those 3 NotebookLM prompts I gave you. Then open Gemini, attach your notebook, run those 2 Gemini prompts, and watch what happens. You'll get content that actually ranks, content that matches intent, content that builds authority, content that sounds human, all from one notebook, all from one workflow. This is the future of SEO content. NotebookLM builds your topic authority. Gemini turns it into rankable content. For keywords like guitar training or any keyword you're targeting, this combo is an insane SEO trick. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Most people are still writing content the old way. They're still guessing, still hoping, still getting terrible results. But now you know better. You've got NotebookLM, you've got Gemini, you've got the whole playbook. That's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.